Hi, fourth grade. It's been a long time since I've seen you. I like to say hi. Miss you guys. Wish we were here in the class, working together, learning, but it is what it is. We'll make the best of it that we can. All right, today we're going to talk about comparing fractions. Now, I sent home your little cards. The little cards here, I got them right here. They were in your packet, these little things. These might help you. You're definitely going to need them for page 205 in your math workbook. Let's talk about just comparing fractions a little bit here. So, in general, if the fractions are the same, if they're the same fraction on the bottom, the denominator, remember the term denominator, the number on the bottom? So if you had the fraction 1/10, 4/10, and 3/10, if they're all the same on the bottom, you're going to just go and line them up smallest to largest. So really it would be 1/10, 3/10, and 4/10. Right? If the denominators are the same, you're just going to go smallest to largest. Okay, simple enough. But let's say that the denominators are not the same. Let's say that we have, say, a 1/10, a 2/5, and a, let's say here, 3/4. Okay? It almost goes kind of reverse. Because remember, it's like you're drawing your little pies. Imagine you're drawing your pies. Okay? This one is divided into 10 different parts. There's 4 parts, 6, 8. This is not going to be perfect. You know me, I never get everything perfect. Let's say there's 10 parts on here. There's only one part of it that's going to be filled in. Here, you're doing 5 parts, right? And it's going to fill in 2 of them. Here, you got 4 parts, and you're filling in 3 of them. So, the more slices the pizza's cut into, right, the less you're going to get, right? I'd much rather have 3/4 of a pizza than 1/10 of a pizza, okay? So when they're not the same, the denominator that's the biggest is really kind of going to be the smallest slices. Maybe that'll help you think of that a little bit, okay? Now, if we look at page 205, so if you don't have your book open, maybe you want to open up to 205 in your book. The first question asks, Quinn and Nancy shared a chocolate bar. Quinn ate 1/4 of the bar and Nancy ate 2/4. Who ate more? Well, here's Quinn. I'll just use Q for him. Here's our chocolate bar, and these chocolate bars are the same size, right? And here's Nancy's chocolate bar. Okay? Assume they're the same size. Give me patience and grace. Quinn ate 1/4, so we need to have it divided into 4 parts. 4 parts. Quinn ate 1 part. Hey, Quinn. How you doing, Quinn? I hope you're feeling good. Quinn ate 1/4. Okay? And Nancy ate 2/4. Well, which one ate more? Right? Obviously, Nancy did. It'd be bigger, right? Alright? Makes sense? Good. I hope so. You can't obviously answer questions. Alright? But look at problem number 2. Problem number 2 is a little bit tougher. It says Diego, Paula, and Kayana. Let's get fun names here. Diego, Paula, and Kayana. Okay, now, we're still going to have the same size chocolate bar. So I'll try to draw them the same size as best I can. They're still eating the same size chocolate bar, right? But the chocolate bar is divided into different sizes, so let's look at it. Diego, how many slices is that Diego's cut into? Diego ate 2/3, right? So 2/3, that means he ate, there's 3 pieces. It's cut into 3. So we need 3 pieces, okay? And then we have Paul ate 2/5, so we need to have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 5 parts. You make 4 lines. And Kayana ate 5, 6. So that means we need 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Just imagine they're the same size chocolate bar now. We got to fill in how much they ate. Diego ate 2/3. Paula ate 2/5. And Kayana ate 5, 6. This is 5, 6. This is 2/5. This is 2/3. Well, if you look at them, you can tell which one ate the most chocolate, right? Who ate the most chocolate? Well, we would say Kayana ate the most overall, right? But the book asks us a separate question. Who ate more, Diego or Paula? So focus on Diego and Paula. If you look at it, who ate more? Which one would be bigger, 2/3 or 2/5? I hope you chose Diego because 2 out of 3 is more than 2 out of 5. Imagine you're looking at the pizza again too. You'd much rather have 2 out of the 3 slices than 2 out of the 5 slices. They ate more, okay? How do you know? Again, if you want to do the circle method, just draw the circle. Some of us get circles a little bit better. So he got to eat that much. And Paula got to eat that much. If I'm hungry, I'd much rather eat this much than that much, right? So there we go. Now, on the bottom of the page, using your cards, they want you to divide them into 3 piles. Ones that are less than a half, ones that are equal to a half, and ones that are greater than a half. So in your deck, find the cards that are 1/2. Look for your 1/2 card. And then you're going to have to, if you need to, you're going to have to hold them up, line them up. Just like how we did beforehand, line them up and see, is this less than a half, equal to a half, or more than a half? So then you put them inside the little box that goes with it. Okay? Just trying to compare fractions a little bit. I hope this episode helps a little bit. In fact, let me see here. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. I'll let you guys look at the cards. It'll be a little hard for me to show them to you like this. Find the half card. Then compare it to every other card. If you look at the 3/5 one, is it bigger, smaller, or equal? Put it in the right box after you find it. Is it in the bigger box, the equal box, or the less than box? All right? Give it a try. You guys can do this. I hope you guys are having a good time away from school. I do miss you guys. I hope to see you guys soon, but it's not going to be till next fall. If not sooner, maybe I'll get to see you guys around town sometimes. All right, I hope everything's going well. All right, talk to you later. Bye.